All right, yeah, we back with part 2. You know what I'm saying? This interview, my man Lee.
It's good.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, like, people, like, is really, you know, trying to hate and make it seem like this is, like, you know, some BS that, you know, I don't know. I don't even know how to say it, yo. I ain't gonna call it hate. Yeah, yo, it's you know, tell the people how it started, yo.
It's all in fun, man. I'm a jokester. You know what I mean? I like to have fun. Came up with the idea, so let's do a party in March. I said, yeah, around tax time. We're gonna call it a tax return party. Called me the next day, a couple days later, we're gonna call it the T-tags and micros. That's what you see when tax time come around.
Right.
Hairstyles, T-tags, new outfits, all that shit. You know what I mean? Like, what can you say? Tax time. That's what they do.
Right.
It's not to downgrade nobody, but you look around, it's what you see. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and like, yo, what can they expect? Like, every time we team up with the steamers, you know what I mean? Like,
it's crazy.
What happens? Like,
just show up.
Like once every 3 months, like we definitely like.
We shut the equator down.
Oh.
There's a lot of people out there trying to, you know what I mean, jump on the bus right now that don't usually jump on the bus. So, you know, you just come on out. My actions speak louder than words. When I throw that Cash App on something, it goes down. Just know that.
It's popping, man. Like, so just for everybody, like, man, just like this wasn't nothing that we, like, this came natural to us. This was, you know, a joke. Y'all try to flip it and do all this. We ended up on media takeout, though. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
I'm a star now, nigga. I'm a star. My name's Biggest Day. Lee Cash App on there.
Host it, yeah. Like, you know what I mean? Yo, like, he hosting this joint. Like, yeah, like.
I'm not downgrading, man. It's just me. I'm a hood nigga that like to do hood things. I have fun. Come on out, Equator Lounge.
Yeah, $2 drinks. Party. We got Tish, bartending.
Make sure y'all tip her, because you will be drinking juice if you don't tip her. You know what I mean? Best bartender in the state.
Yeah, man. We got DJ Real on the wheels, man. You know what I'm saying? He been having the Tuesdays popping since the. Nah, I ain't going. Never mind. But you know what I mean? Shout out to the old DJ too. Like he was. You know what I mean?
Listen, just come on out, man. Have fun. Couple drinks, laugh, take some pictures.
Yeah, definitely flick it up. My man Nutter Butter on the pics, man. Like, yeah.
Come on out, man. Just have fun. Just say, put that on media takeout.
Yeah, World Star next. Like, yeah, like
whatever you want to put it on. Come holla at us, man. We put D on the map.
Word.
No rappers. I don't rap. I do none of that shit. I just like to have fun.
Yeah, crack jokes, enjoy life, man. You know what I mean? Take care of our family, man. My man about to get married. He got a daughter, like, just regular dudes. Like, we do regular stuff, man. That's all I need to understand. Like, it ain't, like, niggas ain't out here, like, doing no hardcore stuff, but then, like, we do something as a joke, and y'all try to go ahead and flip it and try to manipulate the situation. Nah, baby. But thanks for the help, though. Like, you know what I mean?
No problem, man. I see y'all tonight.
Right.